Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to start a new video. So basically this video will be based on how you can connect your GitHub account, GitHub repository directly to AWS account. Alright guys, so for connecting your GitHub to AWS you need a GitHub access. First of all you should have a admin access of GitHub, and then you must have a EC2 instance connected that I'm already having, or running instance basically. Alright, so hope you have all these details to we continue. Basically this is the purpose of connecting GitHub to AWS is directly help us to give complete access of your repository to get live your all the code on your AWS account. So we can start with that. Alright guys, so first of all we just open this AWS account. Let me restart if you want guys. Let's connect this terminal. Open terminal and this. Okay, now we got connected with the terminal, right? It's my AWS account which is already running. So let's connect with this repository. This is my TPM website, so I need to connect this repository with my AWS account. So first of all, before anything, that we just need a access token to connect your GitHub repository to AWS account. Basically it is required because whenever you want to pull or push, you are not able to push here from AWS to GitHub, but you are able to pull the changes from GitHub directly on the AWS account. Alright guys, so let me just verify this. I'm just giving a 7 days access, and I will selecting only one repository that I need to be give access. So guys, this is very private access that you should know. If you give you all the access for your all repository to AWS, it might be suspicious, or probably you're able to face any kind of privacy issue. So better just give one access token to one repository, which will be a safe version, right? It will be safer for access for single repository. As of now I'm just giving all the access, so it will be not this read and write. Okay, I'm just giving all the access right now because I don't want any access issue which connecting with my AWS system. And let's okay, just almost done. Last one. Alright, it will generate a token. So we got the token here. Now we need to go to the terminal, and I have to write git clone. I'm just pasting this value here, and this is my repo. code. I need to copy this HTTPS URL, which will help me to this is actually the need for we need to this is the basic URL that we need to clone any GitHub URL to our AWS account. So just click hit enter. Now it will be cloning my whole website to my AWS account. It's a basic easy it's a very easy step. You are able to see the TPM website code. The TPM websites folder is there, and we are able to see all the codes is now directly connected to the AWS. Alright guys, this is actually what I want to show you. So this is all in this video. Let me know if you have any concern or comment, or if you have any question regarding this. We can connect, or you can comment in my video. Let me know anything else that you are looking for, and I may really able to help you. So this is all guys. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe if you are new on the channel, or if you have any concern, you can write on the comment section.